How to use the action button to start a bedtime routine on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, swipe across and go into the app library. In here, you want to open up the Shortcuts app. So here it is, Shortcuts. And in the Shortcuts app, tap on the Add button so we can create a new shortcut. In here, choose what you want to do with your bedtime routine. So in my case, for example, I can choose set focus to bedtime, such as do not disturb or sleep. So I will go in here and choose set focus. So tap on set focus and then tap on turn and then choose. You can choose turn or ask each time. So we're going to choose turn. And here by default it is set to do not disturb, but we can select sleep routine. So if you like to use the do not disturb focus, you can select that, or we can select the sleep focus. You can also go into the focus setting and create your own focus as well. So here we will select sleep focus, sleep. So turn sleep on. So we will select on or into turn off. So turn sleep on into turn off. Next, we want to add in other action as well. So next we can, so if you want, you can also add in play music. I'll probably do that last. I will do another action. Here you can choose to turn on an alarm. So we can search for alarm. So alarm, and here we'll toggle the alarm to on. So if you don't have an alarm created already, you can do so by going to your clock app. So here, if we look for clock, so open up the clock app, and in here we can create a clock. So I'll just delete this one, and then we add a new alarm clock. So let's say the alarm is 6 a.m. or 6:30 a.m. So 6:30 a.m. and we repeat it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, so we set a sound for the alarm and snooze on, and then tap on save. Here, I'll see if I can rename it. I'll give the alarm, see if I can give the alarm a label or a name. Okay, so I'll go and edit an alarm, and in the label, we can name it morning alarm. And then tap on done, and then tap on saved. Okay, so we name it morning alarm. So let's go back into that settings, and in let's go back into that shortcut first. So we go back into that shortcut and then we choose alarm. From here we've got the morning alarm, 6:30 a.m. morning alarm. So we select the alarm and then we'll turn it on. Okay, so that's on. Show when run on. So we can select it on or off, but we want to turn it on. So we select on. So we've got the first action, turn when we go to bed, we turn sleep on and into turn off. We turn the alarm on at 6:30 to on, and then we add in another one. So we will swipe up and then we choose play music, and from music you can select a playlist. Now I do not have a music playlist, but if you have iTunes Music, and if you have Apple Music, sign into Apple Music, you can select a song or a playlist from your library. Perhaps it is a good idea to select a calm playlist and select a music playlist. And from here, you can then just tap on the play button to see if everything works as expected. So here it's a alarm is on, so everything is working as expected. No music is playing because we haven't got any playlist added. And then tap on done. Okay, so we have now created a shortcut. Now I will rename the shortcut as well. So I'll give it bedtime. Bedtime shortcut. Okay, so bedtime shortcut. And then tap on done. Next, we go back to our home screen. And in here, we go and open up settings. You can also open up settings from app library as well. So in settings, we now scroll down and tap on action button. Next, swipe across until you can see it say shortcut. And from here, you tap on the drop down list, and then you select bedtime. So bedtime shortcut. So that is the shortcut that we created. And that's it. Now, when you want to start your bedtime routine, all you have to do is just press on that toggle button, and that will start your bedtime routine. So here, it will turn on sleep focus mode, and it will turn your alarm on, and it will start to play a music playlist if you have signed into your Apple Music. And that's it. So you can see at the top here, my phone is now currently in sleeping focus mode. So if I switch it off here, I can press on it, it will activate. And that's it. So that is how you can use the action button to start a bedtime routine. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.